Welcome to the Tangem NFC wallet usage tutorial. This guide will walk you through the process of using your Tangem wallet, a secure and convenient way to store and manage your cryptocurrency. First, let's start with the basics. The Tangem wallet is a physical device that uses near-field communication technology to enable secure transactions. To get started, make sure you have your Tangem wallet and a compatible smartphone. Step 1 is to download and install the Tangem app on your smartphone. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices and can be found in the App Store. Once the app is installed, launch it and follow the prompts to create an account and set up your wallet. Next, you'll need to pair your Tangem wallet with your smartphone. To do this, open the app and select the option to pair a new wallet. Then, hold your Tangem wallet near your smartphone to initiate the pairing process. The app will guide you through the process, which should only take a few seconds. Now that your wallet is paired, you can start using it to store and manage your cryptocurrency. To add funds to your wallet, navigate to the app's main screen and select the option to add cryptocurrency. Then, choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to add and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. To make a transaction, navigate to the app's main screen and select the option to send cryptocurrency. Then, enter the recipient's address and the amount you want to send, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Your Tangem wallet will generate a unique transaction code that you'll need to confirm using your wallet. One of the key features of the Tangem wallet is its security. The wallet uses advanced encryption and secure element technology to protect your cryptocurrency. Additionally, the wallet is designed to be tamper-evident, so you'll know if someone has tried to access your wallet without your permission. Best practices for using your Tangem wallet include keeping your wallet and smartphone in a safe and secure location, using strong passwords and PINs, and regularly updating your app and wallet software. It's also a good idea to make regular backups of your wallet and to keep your cryptocurrency diversified across multiple wallets. In conclusion, the Tangem NFC wallet is a secure and convenient way to store and manage your cryptocurrency. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with using your Tangem wallet and take advantage of its advanced security features. Remember to always follow best practices for using your wallet, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.